Good morning. My name is Vishal and I welcome you to this special edition of the Ceasefire webinar series. In this session today, we plan to showcase in front of you a highly specialized range of firefighting solutions in the world of suppression. So these are essentially technologies which are in the miniature or modular suppression solutions segment, viewers. So today, Ceasefire viewers is a global fire safety conglomerate. With its origin in India, we are today stepping up our foot in the UK market with a complete range of firefighting solutions. So our range includes a complete, product portfolio spanning through fire extinguishers to in-panel systems, fire suppression systems, specialized systems for kitchen hood protection, a whole lot of other specialized solutions. All of these are manufactured in our company's own manufacturing facility, a highly advanced one, anywhere to be found in the world in the firefighting segment. All of our products today, viewers, confirm to the highest global standards laid out by the topmost quality agencies in the world, including the EN3, EN1866, LPCB, DSI Kite Mark, MED, PED, OSAS, and ISOs of the world, which are necessary to process certifications. So, viewers, the story of Ceasefire, essentially is a story of constant evolution, research and product improvisation. Having arrived at one product technology, what we do is we always look at the next steps. What can we do to make our particular product technology address newer challenges? What can we do to make sure that one product solution also becomes capable of solving newer problems? That is probably the reason why in the world of firefighting, Ceasefire is known to be both a demand fulfiller as well as a demand generator, because these state-of-the-art firefighting technologies, what they do is they create their own demand in the marketplace, and they beautifully plug the gap between what the customer is actually expecting, and what is actually available today at his disposal. And today in this session, the technologies that we're trying to showcase in front of you are classic examples of the Ceasefire, which rests on the pillars of constant research and constant product improvisation. So welcome viewers, welcome once again on this session. Thank you so much for taking our time. Today's session is about the two signature Ceasefire technologies, one being Ceasefire Mini, the world's smallest fire suppression module, and then there is Ceasefire Launcher. So come, I'll take you inside the demonstration block, where I will be joined by our technology expert, Akash Das. Akash, hi, welcome to the session. And so how would you like to start with the technologies for this session today, Akash?
Welcome viewers to the experience shown at Ceasefire Advanced Intelligence Center. Today we have got two very unique products to display for our viewers. The first product is Ceasefire Launcher, and the second product to showcase is Ceasefire Mini. So the first product, let's discuss Ceasefire Launcher. This is a 3-in-1 application based product.
Sure.
So the first application this is a normal manual handled extinguisher,
which, like any other fire extinguisher, this can also be manually operated.
Absolutely, you can just squeeze the lever and extinguish the fire.
Sure.
So this is a powder based ABC MAP 90 based firefighting agent.
Sure.
The second unique application is this is also an automatic fire extinguisher.
Okay.
Let's see, there is a scenario when the fire is quite big and you cannot go near to the fire.
Yes.
In that case, or the person is not trained to fight fire with an extinguisher.
Yes.
Then you just simply launch this extinguisher into the fire and go to a safe distance. This will get activated on its own and extinguish the fire. How it operates, if you see, there are two uniquely designed discharge nozzles which are opposite to each other. So that means it covers 360-degree angle. And it has got two thermal sensors which are inside, which gets actuated at 68 degrees centigrade. So whenever it is thrown to a fire zone where the temperature is quite high, so it actuates on its own, extinguish the fire.
So pretty much the world's first
fire extinguisher which also works also on autopilot mode.
Absolutely. And the third application is, this is also a standalone modular suppression system. So let's see, there is a situation that when there is a fire, there is no people around. If it is a off day or after office hours, so in that situation, this system takes care of the fire on its own. So this unique discharge nozzle again comes into activation, and it activates the discharge the powder at 68 degrees centigrade, and it covers a area of around 10 square meter.
So what sizes are we talking about here?
We have got
Akash?
3 sizes, 4 kg, and this then 6 kg and 9 kg, and they are all tested by BSI.
Okay, so as far as the certifications are concerned, they're all completely tested by BSI.
Yes. So this is the first product.
Sure.
Then let's go to the second product. This is Ceasefire Mini. Okay. This is a automatic suppression system which is gas based. We are using a clean agent gas which is HFC 227EA.
Okay.
And you know that there are places like small MCB box, fuse box, or very small area which normally people overlook from fire safety point of view. But fire can start from there.
Yeah, usually the suspects.
But they do not have any system for that kind of place. So this is designed keeping in mind that only. So this small suppression system goes inside the MCB box or
So
fuse.
this typically sits inside the electrical cabinet or inside the place you want to protect.
Yes.
Okay?
So this is called intuitive model, which is installed inside the MCB box. It's a very small thing. So once it is inside, you see there is a again thermal sensor here. So it actuates at 3 different temperature settings, which is at 57 degree centigrade and 68 degree centigrade.
Program it in whichever.
Depending on the area of
application you want.
application. For example, if it is an office and air conditioned office, then you should go for 57 degree centigrade. If it is a warehouse or outside area, then 68 degree centigrade. If it is an engine kind of area or factory area where a lot of temperature or heat generation is happening, then go for the 93 degree.
Let's show our viewers the range that we have in Mini and what are the sizes that are available here.
We have got 100 grams, starting from 100 grams to 200, 300, 400 and 500 grams.
And we see two types of shapes here. One is this, and then there is a different shape, the
Yes.
barrel including
Yes.
ourselves. So you can throw some light
Yes.
on that one.
This, as I said, this goes inside the MCB,
Yes, please.
where you have a space. Let's say you have a constraint of space.
Yes.
You do not have any place where you can install it inside. In that case, this model, which is called a adaptive model,
Yes.
where the whole system remains outside, only the barrel goes inside along with the thermal sensor.
So you save on the space.
Absolutely.
The unit will sit outside the cabinet and only the barrel will go inside.
Yes. And it whenever there is a fire, it suppresses it because of this thermal sensor, and it extinguishes the fire.
Sure. So we have two broad types of categories in the product: intuitive and adaptive, and 5 sizes.
Yes.
Okay. So after having understood what the range is, should we just go and see them in real action, Akash?
Yes. Let's go.
Okay, so we'll start with Mini first. We do the demonstration for Mini. And this is a typical cabinet scenario that we try to display here. And the intuitive version of Mini is inside.
Yes.
So
Mini 0.26 cubic meter of volume. So similarly, 100 gram can take care of good 5 cubic meter. So based on the dimension, you go for the
and
right
now
size.
we install Mini intuitive version because the space allows, and if the space was not allowing all this, and there were wirings and other structures inside, then you can just simply
Put the only the barrel goes inside. Let's go.
so like this.
Only
you
the barrel goes inside.
Only the barrel can go inside, and the unit can sit outside. Okay, but this being intuitive demonstration.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go ahead and light the fire. So this is a typical cabinet we're trying to depict. We'll light the flames inside. Go ahead, Chandra. We close the door.
It takes some time.
We'll have to give it a few minutes, a few moments to for the
The
temperature
moment
to
the
rise.
temperature reaches, the thermal sensor will get activated and suppress the fire.
And like you said, there are 3 temperature points that one can program this at.
Yeah.
57, 68, and
And 93.
93. And this being a clean agent-based technology,
Doesn't leave any residue.
no residue, no issue of collateral damage or anything of that sort.
Very true.
Safe for electronic equipments as well.
So it will not damage because this is like clean agent gas, so it will not damage the area of fire.
Sure. So a thing like this is typically used in places like an electrical panel, a fuse box, a cable tray, a fuse box. Okay. All right. So we see this is instantly extinguish the flames, and there is no trace of the flames inside the cabinet. And we
Yes. Open
no residual damage at all. It's absolutely clean. With a little bit of ventilation, the cabinet is up and running again. So that is what Ceasefire Mini was all about.
Yes.
I think moving on quickly from Ceasefire Mini, we'll move to Launcher.
The launcher.
And show you the world's first extinguisher, which works also on autopilot. And what we've done here is we have tried to create a scenario of an enclosed room, but to show you the technology in action, it's glass all over. So what we'll do is we'll light a Class B fire inside. So I think we're ready. We can go ahead and light the fire, and then see how this thing comes into action.
Yes.
So this one is an ABC powder-based technology. And because of the unique design of the nozzle, we'll demonstrate how the discharge will be a 360-degree one and will result into
Suppress the fire irrespective of where it
is. So we'll just allow the temperature to rise and for this thing to come into action. This one again, Akash, is tested by BSI.
Yes.
Again, a technology based on thermal actuation.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And here we go. So you see, it's discharged in a way which is uniform and no trace of fire anywhere. And that is the potency of the ABC powder extinguisher. No flames can survive in front of a MAP 90 powder.
And this is what is autopilot mode.
Absolutely. Sure. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. For our Facebook users, we'll take your lead. If there are any questions you have, please put them on the comment box and we'll be very happy to answer them. For our Zoom users, we will now open up the session for any questions that you may have, and we'll be very happy to answer them. So let's move on.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. So viewers, if there are any more questions you have, we'll be very happy to answer. Refill time, maybe you want to throw some light there.
Yeah, we will replace the cartridge with a new one.
So Mini is a one-time use product, and they can be traded back with a recharged unit instantly at your place. That's the process for refilling there. Viewers, you can also write to us in case you have more questions, or if you get a question later as afterthought of watching this demonstration, we'll be very happy to answer. You can write also in our website, our social media handles, and we'll get them answered there. Next session, viewers, that we've lined up for you is on the 7th of October, where we are going to be showcasing another in-panel fire protection technology in front of you, which is our tube-based fire suppression system, a completely certified system from LPCB. So do save the date there and take out time and attend our session then. So I think with that, we will close the session here.
Yes.
There are no more questions coming in.
Bye-bye.
So thank you so much indeed, everyone, for taking out your time and joining us in the session today. Thank you so much indeed.
Bye.